In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Perplexity AI for complex data analysis. By the end of this guide, you will be able to formulate clear analysis questions, request visualizations, and refine your queries to extract meaningful insights from your data. Begin by accessing Perplexity AI through your preferred web browser. Once the homepage loads, you will see a search bar prominently displayed. This is where you will input your analysis questions or data requests. Ensure your data is ready to be summarized or pasted into the platform. Next, formulate a clear analysis question. For instance, you might ask, analyze this data set for trends and correlations. After entering your question, press the Enter key. Perplexity AI will process your request and generate a response that includes trends and correlations found within the data set. After receiving the initial analysis, consider whether you need visual representations of the data. You could ask, create charts or tables for this data. This request will prompt Perplexity AI to generate visualizations that enhance your understanding of the data patterns. To gain further clarity on the results, you might want explanations of the patterns or insights in plain language. For example, you can ask, what do these trends indicate? This step is important for ensuring that the insights are understood and actionable. If your initial questions are complex, break them down into smaller parts for more focused analysis. Start by asking, first, summarize key trends, and then follow up with identify outliers. This approach helps in obtaining specific insights without overwhelming the analysis process. Once you have gathered insights from your analysis, take action based on the findings. Use the patterns, anomalies, or recommendations highlighted by Perplexity AI to inform your decisions or optimize your processes. Implementing these insights can lead to improved outcomes in your projects. As you work through your data analysis, consider asking follow-up questions for deeper exploration. For example, you could inquire about scenario testing, such as what would happen if we adjusted our pricing strategy. This iterative process allows you to refine your understanding and adapt your strategies accordingly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.